Hello everyone, I am Satish from Auro Realty and I am delighted to bring you the latest construction update for one of our landmark communities, Kohinoor by Auro Realty, located at HITEC City, Hyderabad. Here in the vibrant local of HITEC City, Hyderabad. Rising gracefully against the backdrop of Hyderabad's thriving IT corridor, Kohinoor stands as a symbol of luxury, craftsmanship and modern living. This project brings together elegant architecture and a lifestyle defined by comfort and convenience. Let's have a closer look at the progress that we have made as of October 2025. Here are the overall highlights of the project. Phase 1 is complete and fully operational. Phase 2 towers consisting of Imperial, Jewel and Sparkle have received Occupancy Certificate. The compound wall and gas distribution network for the project are complete, ensuring readiness for residents. The proposed 100-feet approach road connecting to the east entrance of the community has been successfully constructed. Moving on to the phase-wise progress, here is the update for Phase 2. Structural works are fully completed across all 3 towers. Waterproofing, gypsum plastering and putty works are 100% completed for all 3 towers. In terms of painting works, both external and internal are 100% completed across Imperial, Jewel and Sparkle. Marble, tile flooring and dado works are 100% completed in all towers. Wooden doors and windows installation is 100% completed as well. Corridor works such as flooring and false ceilings are 100% completed across all 3 towers. Electromechanical and fire safety including electrical, HVAC and copper piping works are fully completed in Imperial, Jewel and Sparkle. All lifts installed and handed over in Imperial, Jewel and Sparkle towers. All plumbing, CP and sanitary works are completed. CRM process is fully completed for all 3 towers. Gas piping is completed across Jewel and Sparkle towers. In Phase 3, the progress is as follows. Structural works are fully completed. Waterproofing for toilets, balconies and utility areas is 100% completed. Gypsum plastering and putty works are 100% completed. MS railing works for staircase railings is 100% completed. Coming to the painting works, external is 95% completed. Internal is 40% completed. In flooring and marble works are 90% completed. Tile flooring and dado works are 80% completed. For doors and windows, 40% of the door fixing is completed. Window installation is 50% completed. All plumbing works are 90% completed. Service lift installation is currently in progress. That concludes the latest construction update for Kohinoor. With Phase 2 complete and Phase 3 nearing its final stages, the community is fast becoming a shining star in Hyderabad's skylines, where elegance meets everyday's life. Thank you for joining us today. This is Satish signing off.